Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Sean Be Nice back again with some more heat rocking. Today I got a screen protector video for y'all, but here's the thing. This is my first time ever using a Whitestone dome protector case, period. Okay, just being 100% real with y'all. And like, that's the best way I could put it. It's not as easy as these other YouTubers making it out to be. Man, I had glue going off of my speakers, my SPM port, the charging port. I actually had to get rubbing alcohol to get all of the glue out of the charging port because the first one working. Now the good thing about this type of glue, if I'm not mistaken, it's called Loca or Loca, whatever, Loca. It doesn't dry up and really like cure pretty much until you put the UV light on it. So pretty much if you did get some spills, you can always just go rinse it off real quick, put your phone in water. Thankfully the Note 9 is IP68 certified. So I really didn't have too much to worry about when it came to that. But the problem is, man, I was panicking. I was freaking out because it's just so much, man. I watched Flossie Carter do it. I watched the YouTube tech review dude do it. I'm talking about, like, I watched a lot of YouTuber videos on how to do this thing, man. And it's not as easy as it looks. But what I can say is when I did finally get it on and when I did finally get it right, I'm loving the results on my Note 9, yo. Like, first of all, I love the fact that it can go with any case that I put on. Now, on my S9 Plus, I suffer a lot of scratches on that screen. So the first day out of the box, I put the Whitestone dome screen protector on my phone because I just don't want to have that same fate. And I'm loving it, yo. So right now, I currently have it paired with a Rink. I don't know, yo, correct me in the comment section, man. Like, break down the syllabus. Is it Ring K or Ring, Rink? Like, let me know the correct pronunciation so I can stop slaughtering this company's name, because they did send me the cases. I feel like the least I can do is actually pronounce their name correctly. But nonetheless, I got a pair with this case and I love it. It's like the ultimate protection for what I need on my Note 9. But honestly, yo, the Whitestone dome screen protector, like that whole setup, take your time with it, okay? Just let me go ahead and forewarn you with that, man. Take your time with it because it's not as simple as it seems. At least for me, I might be a little slow. That's a possibility. But I'm saying, like, at least for those who are not really skilled at doing that, man, I've never been skilled at putting screen protectors on. So the embarrassing work that y'all seeing on, you know what I'm saying, that I'm showing y'all right now in this video, man, is we getting real personal today, okay? You letting y'all know one of my flaws. So nonetheless, man, I do appreciate Whitestone Dome Glass sending this out to me. I make sure I link this product down in the description below, so you go ahead and pick it out and pick one up for your Note 9. If I'm not mistaken, they still have discounts going for this. I think it was like around 40 bucks, so that is a steal B. I don't plan on, like, I just love it. I mean, the fact that I have the comfortability of sitting my phone face down now if I want to and not have to worry about my actual display getting scratched up is the ultimate win for me. So nonetheless, man, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe button, hit the bell notification so y'all can know when I drop a new video. I definitely got a couple videos coming out this week. Galaxy Note 9 game review coming out this week as well. Don't nobody do game reviews like I do. It's your boy Sean Be Nice, and I'm out this month.